Oh my goodness. AI fears and surging crude oil prices weigh heavily on the stock market. ChatGPT, man, I got a court battle going on there with Sam Altman and artificial intelligence. Apparently there's not enough sales or revenue going on with ChatGPT or OpenAI. Ladies and gentlemen, my goodness, check this out, this news, you know, adjust the camera. So we've got a lot of news to go over today. Tell me what you think, though. I mean, it's just, what do we do with all this news, with this hyperinflation? J.P. Morgan, Jamie Dimon warns of a looming bond market crisis. It's not good. Saying here that Jamie Dimon says he believes a bond market crisis is looming and urged policymakers to address certain underlying risk factors before it hits. And the quote is, the way it's going now, there will be some kind of bond crisis, and then we'll have to deal with it, Dimon said in an investment conference on Tuesday. My goodness. This is according to CNBC. And the quote is, I'm not worried we'll be able to deal with it, Dimon said, adding, I think maturity should look and deal with it as opposed to letting it happen. I don't know, is this the next long-term capital management? The bailouts? Dimon noted that a growing number of risk factors could combine to trigger an upheaval. Inverted yield curves, the de-dollarization event, hyperinflation. Then the quote is, the level of things that are adding to the risk column are high, like geopolitics, oil, government deficits, deficit spending, government corruption is something to look at too. They might go away, but they may not. And we don't know what confluence of events causes the problem. Ladies and gentlemen, is this going to cause bank runs? My goodness. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2026. I'm on my news desk. It's late in the afternoon. The stock market just closed. And looking at the geopolitics, what's going on with the news here and how do we survive this? There's a lot to complain about today, but I offer solutions too. I open up my computer here. Let's see. Look at this. The S&P's off fractionally. Crude oil's up about 4%. The VIX is dipping at 17.96. Gold is off again to 4,610 an ounce. AI stocks crumble. Sinking artificial intelligence stocks and rising oil prices. United Arab Emirates says it will leave OPEC on May Day, May 1st, a blow to the oil cartel. Some are saying, the news is that Dubai and the United Arab Emirates are broke. They need a bailout. What's Sheikh Mo gonna say? GM expects $500 million tariff refund from Trump's levies the Supreme Court struck down. So, I don't know, government's interesting. SanDisk, news on it, the Magnificent Seven week for earnings. OpenAI drags down chip stocks. Oracle stock dips. My goodness, Trump wants to give psychedelic stocks a boost. Can leading companies in psychedelics be incredible? Who knows? The Magnificent Seven, Apple, SMCI, man, stock alert, 2 red flags and a green on super microcomputer. Incredible trade there. Stock market's off, the S&P mini off 36 points. The Nasdaq off close to 300 points. Dow futures off 60. Crude oil near $100 a barrel. Gold and silver at 73 spot, 650. My goodness, chart of the day, select quote, SLQT. Got a lot of news. What's going to happen with the banking system? Is there going to be bank runs here in the U.S.? Some suggest so. SanDisk was off about 6%. Micron Technology dips. Broadcom dips. Google's doing great though, very active. I want to say hi to all my viewers on Twitter, you guys have been with me since 2011. I don't even know how many years that is. Twitter, on X, and YouTube is awesome, and Rumble too. I just push videos out on Rumble. So that's what we have on bar chart. I look at the geopolitics, Yahoo, finance. It's the same information, just expressed a little differently. Let's take a look at this. Hyperinflation. My goodness. The stock market dips as investors grow very uneasy about OpenAI. OpenAI has reportedly fallen short of its targets for sales and users ahead of its highly anticipated IPO. So, Oracle, CoreWeave back OpenAI after reports of trouble at the company. I don't know, people. How's the IPO going to go for OpenAI? Magnificent 7 earnings. Google's doing great. NVIDIA. Powell could stick around after his Fed chair ends. Elon Musk says it's not okay to loot a charity as he takes a stand in OpenAI trial. A lot of drama playing out. It's ding, 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 the fight has begun. OpenAI versus Elon and Sam Altman. Haas, F1 team boss. News there on Formula One racing. Amazon mass hiring with agentic software. Coca-Cola, smaller calories. People don't want to drink the cola sugar anymore. UPS cuts Amazon deliveries. Stocks off 4%. So who's going to deliver all those packages for Amazon? Tech stocks, Oracle, Advanced Micro Devices, the AI trade. Jobly files for first point of air taxi flights. Joby. Gold sinks. U.S. and Iran's deadlock on Hormuz continues. Feels like the war is over. Oil back above $110 a barrel. Hyperinflation. Top gainers. I look at these stocks every day to sell calls on. KINILKSA Pharmacy or Pharmaceutical up 23%. Omnicell, Maze or Mass Inc. up 21%. Samnina active again. And Seco Environmental. Vista Networks, Rambus is a fascinating stock, chips and everything. Now the most active stocks, check this out. It's NVIDIA, Nokia, Intel, SoFi is active, and ERAS off close to 50%. So crypto stocks and Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP and Solana. So I look at the geopolitical news every day and the stock market news. I'm going to run a shorter video today. It's only going to be about 15, 20 minutes tops. Let's look on the left. Or how about BBC, the British Broadcasting Corporation? King says UK and US partnership more important than ever in US Congress address. Fall the King, fall the Queen. Former FBI Director James Comey indicted for a second time. Government officials being corrupt? Nah. U.S. regulators to review Disney broadcast license. Jimmy Kimmel makes a joke about Melania Trump. Uh-oh. Got political fallout there. I don't know, are they going to fire Jimmy Kimmel? Is it free speech? Is it not acceptable? BBC is reporting on such. Let's look at CNN real quick on the left. My channel's apolitical. King Charles, were restrained but forceful as he called for US-UK unity. Fall the King and the Queen. James Comey again, indicted. The corruption at the highest levels of government. It's unreal. Manhattan's new 27-foot tall sculpture got artwork. Trump administration challenges ABC station license amid Kimmel controversy. So we shall see on the left and on the right. Let's look at Fox News real quick. Running about 10 minutes. I got to keep this quick though. Fox News, and then if you stay with me to the end, a little late in the day for me, but tens of thousands switch party affiliation as West Virginia reshapes its map. The state of Florida has been talking about redesigning its map too politically. Again, Fox News is reporting about Comey, King Charles again, minimum wage news, Elon Musk news there, stormy reception. Wow. They want their money back. Zach Bryan news there. Wow. Diplomacy. Iran expected to send new proposal to end the war. Is the Straits of Hormuz open? Is it closed? What's going on? President Trump. We saw the news over the weekend. We got to support our President Trump, man. Trump's amazing. I don't care. Make America great again. Come on, people. And we got to back the play of our loving president. Come on now. J.P. Morgan, I don't know, people. We could see, bank failures. So because of hyperinflation, check this out. I'll put the links below. Recently penned an ebook titled on Amazon Kindle. It's great. The top 10 lowest cost and highest integrity foods for your grocery budgets. Foods for a grocery budget, it's the ultimate list. In a world where the cost of living seems ever up and up, maintaining a healthy diet can often feel like a luxury, reserved for those with deeper pockets. Yet the notion that nutritious eating must come at a premium is a misconception. You can always start your own victory garden. This book that I penned, the top 10 lowest, they're high integrity foods with the lowest cost. Bananas, broccoli, high integrity, low cost. There's a plethora of options in supermarkets, but you get overwhelmed. But check out my link below on Amazon Kindle. You can read it for free and begin to enjoy food that has very high integrity, just like your author here, high integrity, and then the cost of food with the lowest possible cost. So tell me what you think. Running about 12 minutes. My videos are unedited. So on to my trading plan. Dollar cost average. I bought the dippy dip today on Bitcoin. I'll do that today. BTC USD. I own such. I own blockchain ETFs. I own Ethereum, XRP, Solana. I'll DCA SPY ETF. Bought the dippy dip on BKCH, talking about that. Blockchain, BLOK. That's what we have. That's my trading plan for today. Stocks like Rambus were off huge. Daily price dips, I look at this every day. Araska was off 50%. Some of these stocks, High Trend International, off 81%. I won't look at a stock to sell a put unless it has a B. Like Araska has a $3 billion market cap, so I'll look at that. I'll look at selling puts on Harry Norman. And what else? Breville Group Limited, possible, off 34%. Boy, these stock shares. Rambus, though, is extraordinary company over the years. So that's what I have, folks. Tell me what you think. Give me a like and share. Intel's news has been amazing. Got the Trump trade. Let's tighten up and check out that links below. You guys gotta, I'm a prepper. I try to, how do I purchase food at the lowest cost price, but has the most nutritional value? So I purchase my food in bulk at Costco. I do 2 or 3 days a week of water fasting, where I just drink electrolyte. Today's my first day back from a fast. I broke fast yesterday. I usually do like a Sunday, Monday, 48-hour water fast. If I really want to move the needle though and get leaned up, I'll do a 72-hour water fast with electrolyte and magnesium. So I'm leaning up, cycling every day, trying to stay fit, working on my fitness, working out, stretching, doing my workouts, making myself slightly better. I say this every day too. Hey, Twitter. Hey, everyone on Twitter. I give thanks for my abundant supply now manifested. I have it now. So with that, everyone, have a super awesome, wonderful day. And always remember to give thanks and to be thankful for what you do have and to claim it. I have it now. Thanks, everyone.